Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a demo of talent deficiency detection using image processing and training is done through the CNN model. So in this project, we have collected a data set of different deficiencies of vitamins and training is done through the neural network. And after that, next process is prediction part. And after once the prediction is done, it will give the precautions and also characteristics. So now we go for the left. Where ideally click on open. Click on file, open. Contact course. So this are the libraries used for the train the model. So in this, we are detecting four diseases vitamins, and this is the path of dataset folder. And we are loading the dataset. After once loaded, you convert it into array form, then categorical. Then you are splitting the dataset into train and test. Equally, we are splitting the dataset into the testing and train. And after splitting, you can print the total categories, total images, training images, and test images. And in this, we are converting each image into the Python image library. Then array convert 3D. After converting, you convert 3D tensor. Then once 3D to 10, 4D will come in by mentioning x is equals to 0. So in this, we are displaying the graph of accuracy about. And in here, we are defining the model. And these are the layers, conclusion 2D and NP filters. Initially, it will take us 32 filters, second 64. And max pooling is used for to release further more height and width of the images. And flatten is used for to convert two-dimensional into the one-dimensional. And railway is used for to it is abbreviated as rectilinear image, and it will give if there is an input negative values, it will take it as zeros, and the positive remains unchanged. The input is in positive, it will remain as unchanged, and if it is the input is in negative, it will take it as zeros. And activation is here we used softmax for classifying purpose, and model.compile is used for to describe accuracy by mentioning the parameters optimizer RMS from. LR stands for learning rate. Now, the model.fit is used for to learn the data. For prediction purpose, we use the model.fit. And here we will save the model using model.save method. We can't run model. So here I mention 100 iteration till 100 iteration completion. Training process will be continued. So after completion of 100 iteration, we will get the accuracy, valid accuracy validation loss, with the graph, train and validation. Now we can check for testing code. So in this we have created, here we are loading the model. once the training is completed. And here we are predicting the deficiencies. Based on the deficiency, we will get the characteristics and precautions. Click on done now. So we can click on next button. We can enter name and password from login button. Here you can upload the image from the dataset. Composition. So we get the characteristics based on the disease. And we close this window. We get the precautions. Now we can check the close button. See the characteristics based on the disease contours. We get the precautions. Can check for similarly another info. Composition. Here we can see the characteristics based on this disease. Close this, you get the precautions.